He fell asleep on mommy.
No, daddy.
No, mommy.
He fell asleep on daddy.
No, mommy.
Remember I was cooking suman?
Yeah, and you was with daddy. I said, go sit with your husband.
Go sit with your husband.
Yeah, and Dawson was on mommy and...
Dal-dal mo isa.
Dawson fell asleep on him.
I know you cannot sleep.
Oh.
What do you want for breakfast?
I don't know.
Brayden, what are you doing?
Give me my suman.
You eating your suman?
Yeah.
I'm brushing my teeth. I'm brushing. I really want to eat the suman. Okay, go.
Mommy, what's the number to heat it up?
Maybe 1.
What?
100.
Okay, 100. I mean, do I take this off?
No.
Hi, if I... Ow. It's hot.
Do you need help?
Yeah, it's hot. Okay.
Blow it first. Can Dawson try it, see if he likes it? Can Dawson try it, see if he likes it? Brayden? Do you want one, Dawson? Okay.
This is my medicine. This is my medicine. No, Bray.
It's okay, it's the same, so you guys can just
Bray,
get the other one, and then when you're done with this, you get the other one.
Dawson. It said nut. No.
Okay, Loki.
I'm just gonna put it on again.
What? Hey, if you guys are done with this, put this up.
I'm fine.
Brayden can get up.
Put mine up.
Brayden cannot get up.
You can't get up. You can't play. Oh, you're so strong. Oh no.
Loki!
Pin me down.
Loki's helping you, Bray. Bye-bye, ate.
I love you.
I love you.
I love you.
I love you.
I'll see you Thursday.
Okay.
Okay.
You miss ate? You do. Loki. Loki, say bye-bye to Taylor. Dawson, Brayden, say bye-bye to ate.
I'm watching this first. Bye.
Give her a hug and kisses.
Bye, Auntie.
Bye, ate. We'll see you next week.
See you next week.
Have fun. Have fun with Grandma and Grandpa. Loki.
I love you.
Come on, say bye-bye. Whoa.
Boys.
Dawson.
So strong. You're big.
How about Loki?
How about
Loki is waiting for his third.
Loki's waiting for his turn.
Yeah, Loki.
Bye, Loki.
Bye, Loki.
Hey, Bella, sit right here in the middle. Take a picture.
Keep pooping on his back. Keep pooping on his back.
Kumakain na. Come on, Bella, sit right here in the middle. Come sit. Arte-arte. Di ba tsura? Okay. Hold on. Hold on tight, bruh. Careful. Wow. Ano daw? Bella, nagmana ka talaga sa nanay mo. It's not baby anymore? Okay. Okay. How about you? Are you my baby? No? Okay, go. Raiden, come on now. Come on. What? Stop. Come on, get down. Get down. Okay, get down. No calling names. Pagkalis nga guys ni Taylor sa bahay ay dinala namin sa park ang mga bata. Bored na kasi sa bahay. Kaso nga lang hindi rin kami makatagal sa labas kasi ngayon sobrang init na rin dito sa amin. Kaya naman pagkagaling sa park ay dinala ko ang kambal dito sa store kasi ewan ko ba ang gustong bilhan ng kambal ang tatay nila ng damit. Hindi ko alam kung bakit pero tuwan-tuwa sila pag binibilhan ng damit ang tatay nila at syempre sinusuot naman ni Tad kasi pag sila ang bumili ay talagang sinusuot niya kahit ano pa ang bilhin ng kambal. Padalaw-dalaw na nga lang guys si Taylor sa ngayon simula nung nag-away sila ng tatay niya na kahit na okay na sila ngayon perang pag pupunta siya sa bahay nagpapaalam muna siya sa akin na pupunta siya or ewan ko kung nagte-text pa siya sa tatay niya hindi ko siya tinatanong pero okay na nga sila ngayon bati na.
Okay.
But you have to pick the size 32.
32. And just the L?
No, not L. It says 32. That's this one. This one is fine, Bray. I think
Mommy, can you help?
Brayden Dawson, get down before you hurt yourself.
Okay.
That one is fine. You
This?
can pick that.
I want this.
You want that one?
It has to be an L.
Yes.
32.
This one is fine, Brayden. Do you want
I
that?
want this one for that.
Yeah.
It's the same.
No, it's not the same. Look, different color.
Yeah, it's dark.
Magbabakasyon din kasi guys ang aking mga biyanan kaya naman ay dinalaw namin sila. Sasamahan sila ni Taylor kasi malapit lang naman kaso si Taylor ang magdadrive. Buti nga at nandyan si Taylor kasi hindi na kami komportable na magdrive ng malayo ang mga matatanda. Ang biyanan ko kasing babae hindi na yan nagdadrive guys simula nung na-aksidente siya pero yung biyanan kong lalaki ayaw na niya rin niyang mag-drive sa malayo. Kaya yung 2 hours parang malayo na yun sa kanya. Kaya naman si Taylor ang kanilang driver at kasama nila. So, okay na rin yun. At least may kasama sila.
Alright, you guys can get down. These are handles, man. Damn it. You want a drink? You want a drink?
Stop.
Just kidding. No.
Yeah. He said he wouldn't.
I was kidding. This is root beer.